Good morning, everyone, and I just wanted to welcome everyone to Management 3305, Management Information Systems. My name is Dr. James Parrish, and because this class is partially online, partially in class, we're going to be doing a lot of this kind of video thing for the online section so we can get all the material in that we need to get. So the purpose of this little video module here is to get you started and to give you a little introduction to the course. Now we're going to be using Blackboard extensively in this course. Here I have my Blackboard homepage up, and in this section here you'll see PowerPoint slides. This is where we'll have our slides for the course, for the lectures, and then lab materials is where we'll have our materials for the lab. Announcements, I'll be making several different announcements throughout the semester. If I need to send a blast out to the course to let you guys know about something, well, this is where I'll do it, in this announcement section. Assessments, where we'll be taking our tests. We will have assignments throughout the course, so that's where your assignments will be. I will mail you, and then of course we have our syllabus and web links. I want to go over the syllabus very briefly here and just go over some of the key portions of it. Now, my office hours are 9:50 to 10, it should actually be 10:20 a.m. Basically the hour right before this course is when my office hours will be, and then again from 4 p to 6 p at night. This is my phone number here, the 569-3293. However, if you want to get a hold of me, this is not the best way to do it. The best way to get a hold of me is to use my email address, because it goes directly to my BlackBerry, and if you have a quick question or something, I can go ahead and answer that pretty quickly. Our course materials are the Loudon and Loudon Essentials of MIS, 8th edition. The Miller MIS Case Book, which is in its 4th edition, and then Gaskin and Foster Turpin Go with Microsoft Access. You will need all of these texts. Just so you know, I did hear from Dr. Kim that this Loudon and Loudon book is in a binder format, which is about $79, I hear, which is significantly cheaper than most places that you'll get it anywhere else. If you haven't had 1310 or 54 hours of credit, you need to have it for enrolling in this course. This is a Blackboard statement which basically says that, hey, we use Blackboard a lot, so it's your responsibility to be up to date with what's going on at Blackboard. I would say you would need to check it at least once a day while we're in this semester. Now this course is divided into 4 distinct modules. And at the end of every module, we will have a test. So the module 1 is Information Systems and Organizations. Then we talk about infrastructure components, where we'll talk about the hardware, the software, the networking items that make up IT, that form as the foundation of information systems. Then we go through Internet and e-commerce issues, and then management issues and information systems. Your course evaluation and grading is done on a weighted grading scale. Your term project will be 20% of your total grade. The assignments that we give you will be 20%. You'll have 4 exams, which you'll actually have 5 exams, but we'll take the top 4 scores, and those top 4 scores will comprise 50% of your grade. And then the final 10% of your grade will be pop quizzes, which will be given to you throughout the semester. So this section here of the syllabus describes each of the different components. If you have any disability, please contact the Disability Resource Center and have them get in touch with me via letter about what we can do. And we do not discriminate for any reason. Now this is our course schedule, and this is a tentative course schedule. Today is obviously the class introduction. The highlighted sections are the sections that we are going to have online. So as you can see here, a lot of your labs will be online in this sort of video format where you'll be actually working through the lab, and then I'll be giving you video instruction, and then we can talk about it when we get back in class next week if there are any issues. So I will leave this part here for you to look at. Now the final thing that I want to tell you about today is I want to set the stage for MIS and what MIS is. I'm going to do this a little bit more in class on Tuesday when we meet, but I want to first go through and show you a couple of videos. And you can find these videos under the web link section here. Click on there. And they're both different flavors of what has been known as the Did You Know video. The first video, Did You Know Convergence, talks about how various media outlets and technologies are converging together and how that's changing the way we do business. The second video, Did You Know Globalization, is a classic video that you may have seen before, but it talks about how information technology and information systems are flattening out the world and bringing us all together, where now we're not competing against the people in our own area or the people in our own country even, but we're competing against everyone in the world in today's business environments. And IT is the major catalyst in this change for globalization. So I want you to watch both of these videos, and we will discuss them both tomorrow. All right, guys. Please look over the syllabus. Please look at the videos, and I will see you all in class tomorrow. Thanks.